Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell content on OnlyFans. I just log into my account on OnlyFans. Here are the top ways to make money on OnlyFans subscriptions. The most basic way for creators to monetize is through subscriptions, pay per view content, direct messaging, tips, promo shoutouts, coaching, and live streams. So this is the 3 to 4 methods to make money on OnlyFans. How to get started on OnlyFans planning. Pick a niche, think about your posting schedule, set your username and display name, add your profile and banner image, write your good bio, description, add your payment information, fill out the V9 text form, choose between a free page and a paid page. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.